What is going on, everybody? It is me, Jamocha from Sounds Nerdy, and right now I'm standing outside of Samsung's booth right behind me. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the booth just to give you a scale of what they have on display this year at CES 2024. I'm not going to go into great detail about every particular thing. I just want to give you a brief tour just to let you know what it was like just to walk through the tour. So let's run through it. All right, so after you get through the queue line here, we start off with their sustainability stuff, their environmental strategy. Again, if you're into that type of stuff, this wall just shows that the material that they're using on this into their display booth this year. Just going to move on again. Sustainability up there, repackaging, energy, AI, not AI, sorry, AI energy, technology for all. Well, so as soon as you walk in, they're more so focused on sustainability. Now we're going to move over to right here in the center of the booth is SmartThings. So last year at CES, Samsung went all in on SmartThings. One of the big things about it was that any device that is Matter enabled or Matter compatible will be able to work with SmartThings, and they've shown off a lot of their partners and products that they are compatible with. And this year they're just going to just take that up another notch as well. As you can see here, big SmartThings display from Samsung at their booth in 2024 CES. Moving over to their mobile experience area. So this is where you're going to find your Galaxy Book 4, which actually dropped in a couple of weeks, I want to say, like the end of this month or so. So there's a Galaxy Book 4. I'm not going to get into great details about that. I have a video where I did the specs and details about each one, but there are two separate models. There is your Pro model and there is your Ultra model. The Ultra model does come with the Intel Core Ultra 9 or 7 chip, so if you want to go use that for more gaming, that will be the model you want to go with. The Pro model doesn't have it, and they're just showing off all the books. So it's just one size this year, 16 inches. Right here is the Galaxy experience. Again, if you're a part of the Galaxy ecosystem, you can actually just use all your devices together. You can have a second screen using the tablet, and you can share files and photos to your smartphone from your Galaxy Book laptop right here. So they're showing that off. Here to talk about the privacy and security that are in their notebooks. And let's move on to Bespoke AI. That will be the section where we discover how AI can make your everyday life, everyday chores a little better using AI. So let's walk over there real quick. Okay, so here we are. First off, right here, the Bespoke AI laundry. So this is they have 3 different models of the laundries right here. The newest thing about the laundry this year is they have a unit here that is a single unit that washes and dries and does have a 7-inch screen right here. So with that screen there, you can actually take phone calls. You can, if somebody's at the doorbell for ring. So again, if any device that's Matter enabled, you will be able to actually do or take the calls and controls certain things right from the screen itself right there. Again, you're looking at the ovens over here. One of the new things that they introduced with the oven again is another 7-inch LCD screen over there, so we're going to go over there. So as you can see right here, there is a 7-inch screen on the stove right there. Again, that is also compatible with the Family Hub AI refrigerator here. So if you have recipes that you want to use, you can actually send those from the the Bespoke refrigerator and send it to your stove for you. So a cool thing about this is the AI Family Hub integration. So you could put different items in there. So as you put and take out items inside the refrigerator, it will give you an updated view of what's inside your refrigerator. So again, there's more information about that. I'm not going to go into great detail about that. If you want to do that, you can look that up as well. So pictures, just very nice. Over here, we're talking about your chores that you don't like to do, your vacuum cleaning, your smart robot, all of that now has AI in there to make your life a little bit easier. Without going into great detail, the vacuum cleaner here does have AI in there, and it is able to detect the different services that you're on, so it will adjust the suction power and battery life for each of those different services for you.
It does heat the water inside the clean station. So where she's going now, we clean your kitchen, gives you prep time, gives you what's in it, but it also tells you.
What more energy? energy that they've been focusing on. And obviously here, there's a little kitchen that they have set up with SmartThings. All right, let's move on here. Screen experience. This is going to be where you're going to see their micro LED technology. And they've been showing that off for a few years now, and it is getting smaller and more accessible for consumers, but just not ready yet. It's again the pricing and the availability of sizes are just not ready for your average consumer just yet. But this is the micro LED corner, and against the back wall right there, you have the craftsmanship or the. I'm trying to squeeze some. Excuse me. You have the manufacturing process of that, and each shows the manufacturing process for each of the panels here. And it starts from here and works its way down to there until it becomes an actual panel and then it's packaged out there. Again, I'm not going to go into great detail about that. And what's new that they're starting off this year is the transparent micro LED right there. So again, top of the line, top notch, not ready for your mainstream consumption yet, but just imagine the possibilities of that technology going forward. Let's move on to gaming. We'll get over there in just 1 second. Right here was just a demo station that they had, showing off the stove and SmartThings and integration and everything. And we are in the gaming section right here. They're just showing off their Galaxy devices you can play on. It's a little loud in here, so hopefully you can still hear me clearly. This is just a nice station set up with, looks like Forza Horizon. You can sit down in the booth and actually play the game. Looks pretty cool. Station right here. On. This is their gaming hub. So if you have a Samsung TV, a newer TV with the gaming hub on there, you can actually get your different gaming platforms on there. Obviously, Xbox, Luna, GeForce, most of the major ones you can get right there. Again, Samsung gaming hub. Some outdoor camping stuff with a projector right there. Let's move on. So one of the cool things is they have a 3D gaming experience over here. So this monitor right here, you won't be able to see it in the camera, but this is their 3D gaming monitor they have. So it also has head tracking in there. So as you move your head side to side, it still will give you that full 3D experience with no glasses, right? Just using your bare eyes. So that is a pretty dope experience. I actually demoed it. It looks pretty cool. Moving on. And right now we are in the middle of a Ballie section. This is their robot that they showed off a couple years and they have updated him this year. It's pretty crowded over here. I can't see the stage right now. Probably have to come back at a later time just to see Ballie in action. All right.
For example, when you come into the bar while cooking.
All right, that is Samsung's booth tour. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of the booth, just to give you a quick view of what it was like to go through the booth right here. Once again, thank you for taking time out to watch this video. If you enjoy this type of content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this out with anybody in your friends or family group that may enjoy this type of content. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.